Okay, boys and girls, we're going to continue our work with adding two-digit numbers with a one-digit number. This time, instead of using a number line, we're going to use the hundreds chart. So, for example, the first problem is 73 plus 4. So we start on 73, and then I hop 4 squares, and I end on what? 77. Good. So let's try the first problem. The first problem here says 21 plus 9. So I have to find 21 on my hundreds chart. And then I'm going to hop 9 spaces. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number did I land on? 30. Good. Let's try the next one. 14 plus 5. Here's 14. Let's hop 5 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed on 19. 82 plus 7. Circle 82, and we're going to hop 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And when we stopped, what number did we land on? 89. Good. Our next one is 37, and we're just going to hop 1 space. And actually, this is the same as doing one more. One more is 38. Good. I would like you to try these ones on your own. When you're finished, turn it over and do the problems on the back. And then do what your teacher would have you do when you're finished. Good job, boys and girls.